We decided to add a Better Living sunroom to our home. We wanted more space. We didn't want to be outside with the bugs, and this way also when the kids are out by the pool, I can be indoors watching them and not have to be outside. We pretty much spend most of our time in our Better Living sunroom. The kids come home from school, and this is their room to do their homework. The dog lives out here, so if we want to be with the dog, we have to come out here. We love having our meals out here. I take naps out here. We do our work on our computers, bring our laptop out. It's our everything room. Okay, I would recommend Better Living sunrooms to everyone. Really has brought our family together as a place that we can all enjoy. It's a room that we all come to for different reasons, but we can all be together. We don't even have a TV out here. We just relax, and we are just that old-fashioned family time. And as well as, I think, as I said before, that being able to actually enjoy our yard now has been fantastic. And I always tell people it's the best thing that we've done for our house, and always encourage people to do it, and I will continue to recommend Better Living.